The GAC Gove is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft created by Guanghua Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation (GAC) to revolutionize urban air mobility. This compact and eco-friendly air taxi combines cutting-edge electric propulsion with vertical flight capabilities, enabling smooth takeoffs, landings, and efficient short-distance travel across cities. Equipped with multiple rotors, it ensures exceptional stability, safety, and quiet operation, ideal for densely populated urban areas. By offering a sustainable and congestion-free alternative to ground transportation, the Gove addresses modern challenges like traffic jams and air pollution. It also highlights China's rapid progress in next-generation aviation technology, representing a major step toward cleaner, smarter, and faster city travel. M.Vision's autonomous mobility leads the revolution in transportation with an advanced self-driving vehicle technology. Integrating powerful AI, precision sensors, and seamless connectivity, M.Vision creates autonomous systems designed to make travel safer, smarter, and more efficient for all. Focused on modern urban landscapes, its innovations tackle critical issues like traffic congestion, accidents, and limited accessibility. While dependable transportation, M.Vision is redefining mobility for a connected future, paving the way toward offering flexible and convenient mobility options for individuals, companies, and public services. Through continuous innovation, M.Vision aims to build intelligent, sustainable cities where driverless vehicles transform how people and goods move. With a vision of cleaner, faster, and more world where technology and transportation work hand in hand for greater safety and efficiency. The Vapor Pump is an innovative personal underwater scooter engineered to elevate underwater adventures for divers, snorkelers, and ocean explorers. Featuring advanced propulsion, it delivers smooth, quiet, and powerful movement, reducing noise and water disturbance for a more natural underwater experience. Capable of reaching speeds up to 5 miles per hour, it allows users to glide effortlessly through the water. Its compact and lightweight build ensures excellent portability and easy control, while a rechargeable battery provides up to 60 minutes of continuous use. Perfect for discovering coral reefs, exploring shipwrecks, or enjoying casual underwater exploration, the combines safety, efficiency, and environmental friendliness, offering a thrilling way to explore the ocean's hidden beauty with unmatched ease and excitement. The ALF Model A flying car is a groundbreaking innovation that seamlessly blends the convenience of a road vehicle with the limitless potential of flight. Designed for both ground and aerial travel, it utilizes a sophisticated lift-and cruise system, enabling effortless vertical takeoff and smooth flight above urban congestion. Its sleek, aerodynamic body and advanced electric propulsion ensure quiet, efficient, and eco-friendly performance. With an impressive range of up to 200 miles on land and 110 miles in the air, the Model A redefines modern mobility. Emphasizing safety, sustainability, and versatility, it offers a truly integrated travel experience, eliminating the boundaries between driving and flying. The ALF Model A stands as a bold step toward the future of personal air transportation, transforming everyday commutes into efficient, door-to-door aerial journeys. The DRAS DS-8 SDV is a cutting-edge swimmer delivery vehicle designed for elite special operations and stealth underwater missions. Featuring an advanced hydrodynamic design, it allows divers to cover extended distances below the surface while maintaining complete discretion. Powered by a high-efficiency electric propulsion system and guided by precision navigation technology, the compact yet rugged DS-8 performs reliably even in the harshest underwater environments. Its streamlined instruction reduces noise and enhances maneuverability, ensuring smooth and silent movement through the depths. Engineered to transport personnel or critical equipment directly to mission sites, it's an invaluable tool for naval operations, search and rescue units, and deep-sea exploration teams. The DRAS DS-8 SDV stands as more than just a submersible. It's a stealth companion built to master the deep with unmatched precision and reliability. The Hyundai Instaroid EV concept is a futuristic electric sports car that masterfully blends retro-inspired aesthetics with cutting-edge EV innovation. Its sleek, sculpted body and dynamic lines exude performance and elegance, while the interior places drivers in a digital cockpit featuring advanced displays and intuitive driver-focused controls. Powered by a high-performance electric drivetrain, the Instaroid delivers instant acceleration, exceptional handling, and a smooth, zero-emission ride. Designed to evoke both nostalgia and innovation, it represents Hyundai's vision of future, where electric mobility meets emotional driving pleasure. More than just a car, the Instaroid is an immersive experience, combining power, style, and sustainability to redefine what modern performance vehicles can be. The Volanaut Airbike is a futuristic jet-powered flying machine that looks like it's straight out of a Star Wars movie. Instead of using traditional propellers, it harnesses pure jet thrust to give riders an electrifying open-air flight experience with full 360 degrees visibility. Created by Thomas Patton, the innovator behind the Jetson 1, this ultralight aircraft weighs just 30 to 40 kilograms and can soar at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. Built from sleek carbon fiber and featuring a minimalist, cockpit-free design, it emphasizes speed, agility, and precision, perfect for weaving through forests or tight aerial spaces. After successfully completing real-world flight tests, the Volanaut Airbike has proven its performance beyond concept visuals. With its anticipated market launch, it's set to revolutionize personal air mobility, turning science fiction into a thrilling real-world experience. Magic Lab's Magic Dog W is a next-generation wheel quadruped robot built for exceptional agility, endurance, and versatility in real-world environments. Driven by 17 powerful motors and fitted with durable 7-inch tires, it can climb stairs, navigate 40-degree slopes, and conquer obstacles up to 60 centimeters high with ease. Capable of carrying a 10 kilograms payload and operating for up to 4 hours on a single charge, it excels in challenging terrain and demanding missions. Its advanced vision system enables precise obstacle detection and autonomous navigation, while an open SDK empowers developers to customize and expand its capabilities for diverse applications in research, industry, and education, combining strength, intelligence, and adaptability. The Magic Dog W redefines robotic mobility and showcases the limitless potential of future autonomous systems. The InMotion V12S electric unicycle is a cutting-edge, high-performance personal transport solution built for both city commuters and thrill-seeking riders. Powered by a robust 2,500-watt motor with peak bursts up to 6,000 watts, it reaches speeds of 43.5 miles per hour and covers up to 75 miles per charge. Its 16-inch tubeless tire and advanced 90mm hydraulic suspension ensure a smooth, stable ride over varied terrain. Engineered for durability and convenience, the V12S features a water-resistant body, vivid touchscreen display, integrated Bluetooth speakers, customizable RGB lighting, and a smart companion app for monitoring and control. Merging speed, comfort, and innovation, the InMotion V12S sets a new standard in electric unicycling, delivering exceptional performance, intuitive technology, and pure exhilaration for everyday travel and adventure alike.
Strama Panels is an innovative facade finishing system designed for buildings with polystyrene or mineral wool blocks. Installed using a dry process. It's so simple that the setup tutorial is just 38 seconds long. The secret behind Strama's sleek look lies in its materials. Panels are primarily made of aluminum with a top layer of wood veneer. This combination ensures durability, low maintenance, and a stylish appearance. With over 100 design options available, Strama Panels offer versatility to match any architectural style. The Saab A-26 submarines, developed for the Swedish Navy, are among the most formidable hunters in the northern seas. With a displacement of 2,000 tons, they utilize diesel-electric propulsion and advanced Stirling AIP batteries, allowing them to remain submerged for extended periods without surfacing to recharge. A key feature of these submarines is the multi-mission portal system, which enables the launch of both manned and unmanned vehicles from the front compartment. Their stealth capabilities are so advanced that enemies may only detect them after they have already completed their mission. Additionally, the A-26 class boats are designed to withstand underwater explosions, with successful tests conducted while a full crew was on board, further proving their resilience and combat readiness.